Hi friends, this is Prema from Digital Spiritual Space. Today we are going to talk about Omkara meditation. This is a very simple meditation but a very effective meditation. If you do it properly, you will get the full benefit. It has physical benefit, it has mental benefit, it has spiritual benefits. It is like you grow, you evolve at each level. But for now, why I am talking about Omkar meditation is because in this pandemic situation, we need to do some sort of a meditation that keeps us relaxed and to think clearly, to actually reduce the stress and anxiety and the fear. As you all know, Omkara is the sound of universe. There is no religion for Omkara. Anybody can chant, anybody. So, sitting in a quiet corner, doing this subtle practice with full heart and soul will give you a lot of benefit. Just take a few minutes. It will take some 20 to 21 minutes for you to finish this meditation. Because when we talk about meditation, it is always we think that we have to sit in silence or there is a guided meditation. But this Omkara meditation is such a meditation that you yourself, you can do it in a japa way or ajapa way. Japa way is chanting outwardly, ajapa is chanting internally. But for beginning, until you get used to, until our muscles and our body responds to the sound, vibrations inside, it is better to chant out loudly and do this for some time. Or you can alternate also. Once you chant and once you chant mentally, and again you chant japa ajapa, that way also. But for this, I've done it, this Omkara meditation in where different schools teach in different way. But the way which was very effective for me was one of my yoga colleague and yoga master also, named Shivram. He taught me this. Actually, it was very calming, soothing, relaxing. I found it very useful. Because again, doing it on your own sitting, you should not have a lot of steps in that. All this meditation has only 3 steps. So just sit in a, I will show you the demonstration of how you do the meditation. But I thank Shivram for this, and then all the other gurus also who have taught me this Omkar meditation. I bow to them. I am grateful and thankful to everybody. At this point of time, in this situation, if we have to be stress-free, no anxiety and fear, let us follow a simple meditation that everybody can follow, from children to the older people. But only thing is that there is before Om meditation, we do the preparation for Om meditation, that is with Kapalabhati and Nadi Shuddhi. Kapalabhati, you have to be very careful. Again, people with heart ailments and IBP and all. So if you are allowed to do Kapalabhati, you can do Kapalabhati. Otherwise, you just lie down in Shavasana for 2 minutes. And then you do the Nadi Shuddhi for 7 to 11 rounds. And then you do the Om meditation. Om, when you chant, the chanting should be from the navel to your Agna. You should feel the sound here. That actually hears like a ringing sound in your head. So the Om, I'm just showing the gesture for you people to understand. Don't do that. You'll have to sit silently with your chin mudra and you have to do the Om. Okay, then Om you have to do for 21 times, and there will be after each Om chanting you have a silence. Okay, just a 2 second or 3 second, and then don't inhale, chant Om, and again don't inhale and do the Om. Om. Observe the silence. This is the place where actually you get the three-dimensional awareness. If you could observe, do it 21 times, then you observe the silence and see what do you feel. Each one's experience is different. Okay, I'm just telling you, just observe. 21 times you do this, observe the silence between one Omkara and the next Omkara, and you finish it with the Shanti mantra. Okay, sit in silence for some time after 21 minutes, say about 3 minutes or 4 minutes, how much of a time, just to observe that silence. You will enjoy that silence. And then come out slowly, the Shanti mantra, and end it. Because this is very, very easy. Okay, it is simple. Everyone can do. And Omkara Pranava is something that, you know, it is so dear to all of us, because it is a universal sound and it has the capacity to remove the negativities. Whether when you chant it for yourself, you remove the negativities from you, you become more positive. There's a lot of physical, mental and spiritual benefit with this Omkara. Each one will experience their own way of experiencing this meditation. Once you do it, let me know. Now I'll just demonstrate you the meditation. How to sit, what mudra to hold and how to breathe. People, again, I'm telling you, people who are hypertensive and have any other ailments that they cannot forcefully exhale, don't do Kapalabhati. Let's start the demo. The position for Omkar meditation is either you sit in Vajrasana or you sit in Sukhasana or you sit in Ardha Padmasana, or if you can do with the full Padmasana. 2 legs, lotus position. And people who have problems, they can sit in the normal Sukhasana, and you can even sit in the chair, sit on the chair and do it. You can sit, but the only criteria would be your head, neck and spine should be straight line. This is important. If you have a problem that if you're going to slouch down in between, because you're going to chant 21 times Omkara, if you're going to slouch, the efficacy of that might go down. So it is better you just take the support of something, a wall or the chair, and you rest your back, but you have to be straight. So this is the sitting position for the meditation. And then the next comes the Kriya. People who do not have BP or any blood pressure problems can do it, like 120 strokes of Kapalabhati. That is 60, take a break, and 60. So the Kapalabhati is like that. I will not show you the entire procedure. I will just give you the instruction how it is to be done. Otherwise the video will go for 40 minutes. Okay. So the Kapalabhati is just, you'll have to, it is a forceful exhalation, no inhalation. Inhalation will happen automatically. The exhalation will be like this. Like this, you can take 60 strokes at stretch. If you cannot make it into 30, if you can do only 60 also. or you can do 60 plus 30, and then if you are able to do another 30. So you look at how well you can cope up with that, because Kapalabhati is not for everyone. Okay, this is a cleansing kriya. First you do this, and then you do the Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Keep the Nasika Mudra in your hand. Right, close your right nostril and start with the left nostril. Always start with the exhalation. Exhale from your left nostril. Then inhale from the same nostril. Exhale from the right. Again, inhale from the right. Exhale from the left. People who can retain for 2 seconds or 3 seconds in after the inhalation and after the exhalation. Like inhale, hold, exhale, hold, inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Like this, inhale, hold, exhale, hold. If you can retain. If you are not able to, you just do the Nadi Shodhi, alternate balancing breathing. That's it. Do that, and then after this you can do for 11 rounds. Okay, 7 to 11 rounds is ideal. Okay, people can do until 11 rounds, and then you start with your people who cannot do Kapalabhati can actually lie down in Shavasana, relax completely for 1 or 2 minutes, then slowly do the Nadi Shodhan Pranayama, and then sit for the meditation. Now when you sit for the meditation, you just breathe in, inhale, exhale. Inhale deeply and exhale completely to the relaxation. Do this for 3 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. After 3 times, just observe. You should inhale deeply. The Om sound should come from your navel area to the sound coming to your Ajna chakra. From your navel you start A, U, Ma. The sound should be more than your A, U and Ma. So this sound should be like a ringing sound in your head, like So this is said in scriptures, old scriptures, that while Om is the Shiva, that sound is actually referred to as Shakti. So there is a beautiful song in Tamil also. So we have to hear that sound completely. Okay, so this is how you do, and this Om should be chanted 21 times. 21 times you chant completely, and then just observe the what you can feel, how your body feels, how your head feels. and then you will be completely relaxed. You will be calm, you will be silent, you will be relaxed, and you don't feel like talking also. You will be in a complete silence. You will not know. The process of breathing automatically happens. You won't even know. You will become very calm. Okay, but when you are doing this, find a quiet, calm place, sit comfortably and do it. After 21 times, observe for a few seconds, sit in silence, then you end with Shanti Mantra. Okay, small briefing. First, sit in any asana that you are comfortable with. Then you start doing the have a chin mudra in your hand like this, or you can even keep a mushti and keep it like this, so that your back and neck and head is in straight line. And then keep your hands, rest your hands on your knees, and then start doing your Kapalabhati. Then slowly stop. While stopping Kapalabhati, you have to slowly stop, slow down and then stop. And then you do the Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Inhale and exhale. Then keep your chin mudra on both the hands, rest on your knees, and then you start chanting Om for 21 times. Om. After each Om, leave a little bit of, immediately don't inhale and start chanting again. Just leave for 2 seconds, then inhale once again. So this way you have to do 21 times. Then finally sit in silence for few seconds after 21 times. After observing in the silence, then you do the Shanti Mantra thrice. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Then rub your palms and then massage your face, neck, whole body. Spread the energy. Then open your eyes with a few blinks. Meditation. This is the what do you say? The most effective meditation. People who don't know anything also can do this meditation easily, and it is very, very, very effective. So I think this meditation should help everyone in this pandemic time, because you will be chanting, your whole body is vibrating with the Omkara, which is the sound of the universe. So we better take all the positive energy. Okay, anybody and everybody can do this. So hope this is helpful for everyone. Thank you so much. This is Prema signing off from DSS, Digital Spiritual Space. Take care, stay safe. Meet you. Until then, bye-bye.